So after throwing the body on, I realized something here. The car had plenty of clearance to the garage door, but if you look at this now, the garage door will no longer shut with the body on because it sticks out quite a bit further than the chassis, another, I don't know, 6 inches maybe. So, as you can see, I've got wheels here. I borrowed these wheels from my buddy who has the blue Daytona coupe. These were kind of his just junker wheels that he was going to go do a drift contest with. He let me borrow these, and then I bought these cheapies here. So I'm actually going to throw these wheels on and drop this thing to the ground so I can push it forward enough to shut the garage door. So this thing is going to go on the ground for the first time. So stay tuned, and this should be good. I figured since I can't shut the garage, and I got the tires and wheels, big event coming on. We're going to get this thing on the ground. So I'm going to let the camera run here. I'll just kind of throw it out there, and we'll see the jack stands come out from underneath. And this is going to be on the ground in a few minutes. So follow along. So we're going to get the front jacked up. Oh, I just got to find my jacking point here. I guess I could jack it from right here. I don't see why not. Let me get a rag so we don't scratch the paint. I don't see why that won't lift this thing up. Okay. One jack stand out. Been on these jack stands a long time. So one out. This one gotta go up a little bit. It's not perfectly centered on the chassis. Okay, here we go. Front's coming down, make sure there's nothing underneath. Here we go. Okay, so we got ourselves a car on the ground. I don't know, I think it's a little too low. I'm not sure. We'll have to do some measuring, probably some adjusting. But as you can see, and these little tires, these are 285s in the rear. The offset's way wrong, as you can see, tucked way in. So we're going to bring those back with some 335s. A whole different world once we get those tires underneath there. But there you go, on the ground, first time. So Yahoo! Actually, my buddy came over and looked at it today. He loves the paint. He says, "Just leave it that way. That's awesome." He loves the white roll cage with the dark gray and the black, so it looks clean. We'll see. But thanks again for watching. So big episode, body on the ground. So I said I'm going to check the ride height, probably mess around with that a little bit, maybe show you how to do that. And yeah, we're on the ground. This thing's ready to go. Can't wait to drive it. Go-kart time's going to be close. So thanks again for watching.